Hi everyone, I am Jamie Kellar from the Leslie Dan Faculty of Pharmacy at the University of Toronto. Pharmacists across the country are working hard to provide care during unprecedented and challenging times. As a pharmacist myself, I'm so proud of all of the work that all of you on the front lines are doing on a daily basis. So while all of you are busy taking care of others, I'm here today to remind you about the importance of taking care of yourself. Mental health and well-being is important as our physical health, and probably more important than ever right now. All of us are experiencing significant change in our personal and professional lives. As a result, there is significant uncertainty, busy work environments, stress, and anxiety for most of us. If we're going to maintain the energy required to sustain the work ahead, we're going to need to make sure we prioritize our own well-being. Here are some tips. Number 1, prioritize self-care. Make an appointment with yourself every day to do something you enjoy. It doesn't need to be for long, 10 to 15 minutes is enough, to engage in something that fills you up and brings meaning. Something like reading a book, listening to music, writing in a journal, engaging in conversation with your loved ones, taking a bath. Whatever the activity is, the only requirement is that you enjoy it and you completely focus on it for a few minutes. This can bring much needed clarity, calmness, and joy into otherwise very busy days. Number 2, move your body. We know that physical activity is important for our physical health, but it's also important for our mental health. Now, it can be a challenge trying to find time to move as we're busy at home and we're busy at work, and many of our gyms and studios have also closed, and we're trying to limit our contact with individuals outside. So what we can do is we can try to move in interesting ways. We can take advantage of free apps that are currently available to give guided exercise. Many of these are actually short and kind of fun. My current favorite is the Peloton app, which is free for 90 days, and it has guided walks and runs, but it also has meditations, yoga, dance classes, and strength training sessions in as short of bursts as 10 minutes, so most people can fit it in. You can also walk around your house, walk around your block, walk around your pharmacy. Be creative. Number 3, be present. Slow down and give yourself permission to take a break. Our pharmacies are really busy right now. We are managing significant patient care activities, our scope is expanding so we can provide much needed service to patients, and we're managing significant drug shortages and trying to maintain access to medications for our patients. This is a lot for any individual to manage. And so I encourage you, in the moments when you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, that you acknowledge how you feel. It's important to not push it away and to acknowledge that the feelings that you have are normal. You're managing a lot of things and many of them are new. It's also important to just be present. Pay attention to your surroundings, to what you hear and to what you see. And focus on your breath for 15 to 30 seconds. By doing that, you are able to slow down some of the thoughts and decrease your feelings of anxiety and bring a sense of calm, which will allow you to approach the tasks at hand with more clarity. And finally, number 4, seek connection. We know that social connectedness is one of the most important factors in building and maintaining resiliency. This can be a challenge with our current social distancing practices. However, you can use your telephone or virtual platforms to reach out to loved ones and friends, but I also encourage you to reach out to other pharmacy professionals, either from your own pharmacy or from your pharmacy community. It's important to seek support from folks that work in a similar profession, as we all understand the current challenges better than anyone else. And by providing support to each other, hearing the challenges, hearing what's concerning each other, we're actually able to provide support and validation and much needed breaks from our everyday stress. This social connection piece is huge, and I really encourage you to try to fit in pieces of it every single day. You are all doing amazing work, and it's really easy to forget about the importance of taking care of yourself while there's so many things that require your attention. Our mental health and well-being is not a luxury, it's a requirement if we're going to continue to do the hard work ahead. Give yourself permission to look after you for a few minutes every day.